orchids. And in this warm, humid atmosphere reside some of the world's most exotic creatures. More than 50 species of hummingbirds make the forest their home, feeding themselves on the nectar they sip from flowers. Deemed the most beautiful bird of the New World, the resplendent quetzal is likely the most famous inhabitant here. A mating pair raise their young in a cavity nest during the spring breeding season. The ornately feathered male makes regular deliveries of wild avocado to his mate and two hatchlings inside.